I've seen such a lot of people on YouTube making videos about washing machines that break down every 5 minutes. Only I've had them a year. And, well, this washing machine was my dad's washing machine. And he died in 2007. And I still use it. And when he passed away, I inherited it. And let's have a look. Look at this, no mould. Look at this, no mould. It's clean. You know why? Because one, let's see, make sure I get this in the right place. First of all, you put antibacterial or you put Dettol or disinfectant in the tray, so that in the final conditioner wash you actually have antibacterial Dettol in there, right? So you don't have a problem with mold. Now, so there's something else. Hang on a minute, I've got holy pants on right now. Oh, hang on a minute, I'll pause a minute. I've never had a problem with it. Because, number one, I do not overload it. I've got a quilt in there. All that's in there is a quilt and a bed quilt. And a few bits of underwear, that's all. And, let's see. I can't get this. Put some washing powder in here. Now, I'm not going to run it right now because it's after midnight, but I'm going to program it to run tomorrow. Damn it, I can't get my hand in there. It's got a bit damp, and as a result the powder's got hard, so it's hard to get to it. Right, so let's see. Now this washing machine runs perfectly. It's a Hoover. It's a Hoover washing machine from HNL 6166. That's the model number, I believe. And I've never had problems with it. Put some conditioner in. It's a good idea to add water, because this stuff can gel and it can set. So I'll get some water, mix it up to the max level. So I'll put my conditioner in, and I'm going to set this to run tomorrow morning. Oh, let's see. Shut the door. Oh, let's see. Put it on non-fast. Don't know if you can see the light flashing. Oh, let's see. Can you actually see it? Yeah. So I'm going to delay start for 9 hours. So it'll start in the morning. See it flashing there, maybe. Right. I can't start it now because it's too late. It'll wake the neighbours. Might wake the neighbours. But I use it on fast, maximum 1600 speed spin. Temperature, water temperature 40. That's the water coming in, I believe. But the temperature for I always have it at about 40 because it damages woolens, and I tend to wash things together. But it's an extra Optima. It's been a good machine. It's still a good machine. And Still use it. Originally when it came, it had a 5-year warranty on it. Oh, I can't get up. Oh. So, all this new stuff people are buying now, the new stuff is just junk. And if this breaks down, I'll be probably dead and buried. Bye for now.